Kessler up front with Booth and Raymond. And here's Mason Raymond in on the right wing, cuts to the middle, loses the puck. Booth follows up, he scores! 13 seconds in. Goals in 3 straight games for David Booth, and it's 1-0 Vancouver. Bitts has the left hand ready to go. Tries it, and down goes McLeod early. He might get back up. Bitts trying to let him up to let the fight continue.
The linesman let it go on.
Oh, a right hand from Bitts. And then a left from McLeod, it looked like, as they wrestle each other down.
Takedown.
Down to Raymond. This line very sharp for the Canucks early. Edler with a blast. That stayed out somehow. Hit a leg in front, I think. Edler again. Kicked out by Giguère. Booth in front for Raymond. Puck comes to Edler. Why not? Kicked out by Giguère. 3 for $1. And the point's so valuable in that middle pack of the Western Conference as Luongo makes a marvelous save off Porter.
Wow.
Face-off win for the Avalanche. Long shot by O'Brien and Luongo. And Erik Johnson rushes the puck in on the right wing. Puts it to the crease. Comes in front to Hejduk. Drags it to the side. Centers. They score. Erik Johnson with his 2nd goal in as many games, and he ties it at 1. Here's Daniel on the left wing. Finds Henrik. Pass for Daniel just out of his reach. Burrows centers Daniel off the outside of the net. Played ahead. Out of the reach of Winnick. Now it's sent forward. Here's a breakaway. David Booth looking for his 2nd. He dekes. Stopped by the right pad of Varlamov. And the Canucks are on the power play. Salo at the blue line. Lets it go. Wide of the goal. Daniel missed the ricochet. And Stastny at the end of a shift makes a play onto the left wing. McLeod is in with a slap shot. Gloved by Luongo. Salo again. For Higgins. Lets the puck go to the corner. Hodgson does well to come up with it. Cuts in front. Hansen scores! Hodgson teed it up, and Jannik Hansen blasted it to make it 2-1 Vancouver. Hejduk in on Burrows. Now it's centered. Here's a chance for Stastny. Stopped by Luongo. Rebound stopped as well as O'Reilly turned and slammed that one on goal. Luongo without his goal stick. Another shot. He swallows that one up and hangs on. Landeskog working to hold the puck in the zone. Canucks get it ahead to Higgins. He pokes it out. And here he comes with Burrows in an empty net. Who's going to take it? Burrows will. And it's 3-1 Vancouver. The Vancouver Canucks now 13-3-1 against the Northwest as they win it 3-1.